This is the last topic of the chapter, which is applications of electrolysis. Applications means uses of electrolysis. The first one is that electrolysis process is used for extraction of metals. Extraction of metals from their ores. Okay. So the first use of electrolysis is that it is used for extraction of metals from their ores. I hope you know what are ores. When current is passed through the ore, let us take the example of sodium chloride. Okay, let us take the example of sodium chloride. Now when we pass electric current through this molten sodium chloride, then it is going to dissociate into sodium and chlorine, sodium ions and chlorine ions. I hope all of you remember this. Okay, so sodium ions, sodium is deposited at cathode. Again and again I have told you this, that positive ions move towards negative electrode and negative ions move towards positive electrode. So once you know that what are the charges on these ions, you will easily remember this. So chloride is at anode. Okay, so chlorine gas Cl2 is produced at anode and sodium metal can be extracted from cathode. So the metal can be extracted from cathode, sodium metal, and chlorine gas is evolved at anode. So this is how electrolysis help in extraction of metal. We can get sodium metal from sodium ore, that is your sodium chloride. Second use is it is also used in refining of metals. It is also used in refining of metals. Naturally, after the metals are extracted from their ores, they need to be refined. Okay, we can't use them directly, so they need to be refined, and certain metals like copper and zinc, they can be refined with the help of electrolysis process, because some of the impurities they remain in the metal and they need to be refined, so they are refined with the help of electrolysis process. Then next is electrolysis is also used for manufacturing of chlorine. Manufacturing of chlorine. Manufacturing of chlorine, this is also one of the use of electrolysis. Actually in and even in submarines, oxygen produced by electrolysis of water is used for breathing, because there in submarines there is lack of oxygen. They need to take rather cylinders of oxygen, or they need to produce oxygen. So how do they produce oxygen is by doing the electrolysis of water. We have studied that with the help of electrolysis of water, oxygen and hydrogen gases evolved, and then they can be used for breathing. Oxygen can be used for breathing. Then next is electrolysis. One of the very important application of electrolysis is electroplating, which we have already done in detail. So electroplating is one of the very important use of electrolysis, and in everyday life we see electroplated articles, we see electroplated utensils also. Okay, so electroplating is one of the very important use of electrolysis process. Okay.